to?
I don't know. How are we gonna get it down?
How are we gonna get them all?
Oh my gosh, I have a ladder!
Good idea.
I wonder how tall this is.
I don't know. Let's measure it.
Okay, good idea. Okay.
All right. I think it's like 8 feet tall.
It'll work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see if it fits.
Okay. Here. Hold this thing.
Right?
It looks 10 feet to me.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Yeah, okay, that one. That's good because it'll fit.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay. Well, we're gonna have to get this ladder over there to get the dog out.
Mhm.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
So
It's gonna have to be open so we can climb on it, and we need to know how tall it's gonna be when it's open. We want to make sure it's tall enough so we can get the dog.
okay.
Right?
Yeah. So
Okay.
let's go over and open it, and then we measure the width. And then what's that thing Mr. Cardwell taught us?
Oh yeah, we can use related rates of change.
Perfect.
Okay, let's go around right here. Like 3 feet.
Perfect.
That's, yeah.
So we know the height when it's closed is 8 feet, and the width when it's open is 3 feet. So we just have to find what the height is when it's open.
And we know that the width when it's closed is 0 feet. So we can just do that problem there.
It's open, forms a triangle. And the width when it's open is 3 feet. We know that this is the height and that half of it is 1.5 feet. We also know that each leg is 8 feet long, and so we have to find the height. So we use the Pythagorean theorem. And we know what A and C are, so we put those in. 1.5 squared plus B squared equals 8 squared. Check. Then we know that this is 2.25 plus B squared equals 64. Then we bring 2.25 to the other side and subtract it from 64 and get 61.75. And then we square root both sides and we get B equals 7.85. So we know that this height is supposed to be 7.85 feet. And for our purposes, we just rounded it to 7 feet in the end. Okay, so this is going to be our X, and this is our Y, or no. And this is our Y, and this is our H. So we put that into the Pythagorean theorem again. X squared plus Y squared equals H squared. And these are our givens. We know X equals 1.5. We know Y equals 7.85 because we found it in the Pythagorean theorem. And we know that the rate we were opening the ladder, which is dx dt, the derivative of x in relation to time, equals 1 foot per second. Okay, so that's our given. So we do the derivative of this. We do 2x dx dt plus 2y dy dt equals 0 because your 8 squared, it just goes away. And then, so then we put in our knowns, so we know x, y, and dx dt. So 2 times 1.5 times 1 plus 2 times 7.85 dy dt equals 0. Then we do all that out, and it ends up equaling, or we're going to 3 plus 15.7 dy dt equals 0. Then I take 3 to the other side, so it's 15.7 dy dt equals negative 3. And then we divide both sides by 15.7. And we're left with dy dt equals negative 0.19. And so we know that the height is decreasing at a rate of 0.19 feet per second. And if we do the math out and multiply it by 3 to see how high it should be at 3 feet, we get 7.71 feet. That's what it should be, going from 8 feet down at this rate. And it's kind of funny that it's really close that instantaneously.
So thanks, Miss